You are losing money every single second of the day, even while you are sleeping. Inflation silently eats away at all your saved money, destroying your purchasing power without warning. Most people are completely unaware of this hidden financial danger threatening their future financial security. You spend countless hours working tirelessly for a paycheck that barely covers your basic expenses. But what if there was a proven method to multiply your wealth without working harder? Welcome to the undeniable reality of compound interest, the ultimate secret to building generational wealth. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the entire known financial universe. He stated that those who truly understand this powerful concept earn it, while others pay. To grasp this concept, you must fundamentally change how you think about earning your money. Instead of trading your precious time for dollars, you must turn those dollars into employees. Imagine every single dollar you save as a dedicated worker who never takes a break. These dollar employees work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, creating dollars. The new dollars then become employees themselves, joining the workforce to generate even more money. This beautiful cycle continues indefinitely, creating a massive snowball effect that accelerates your wealth creation. Over time, the results become truly staggering, transforming modest savings into a massive financial empire. Let us look closely at a simple example to clearly illustrate this profound mathematical phenomenon. Suppose you decide to invest exactly $10,000 into an account earning 10%. After the very first year, your investment generates exactly $1,000 in pure interest. You now have $11,000, meaning your money has successfully begun its upward journey. In the second year, you do not just earn 10% on your original investment, you also earn a full 10% on the $1,000 of accumulated interest. That means your second year profit is $1,100, growing total balances. By the end of year 2, your total account balance reaches $12,100. This might seem like a small difference right now, but patience reveals the true magic. Fast forward exactly 30 years into the future, without adding another single penny to it, your initial $10,000 would grow to an incredible $174,000. That is over $160,000 generated purely by doing absolutely nothing else. Now, compare this incredible growth to standard simple interest, which never builds upon its profits. With simple interest, you only earn money on your initial $10,000 baseline investment. 30 years of simple interest would merely give you a total of $40,000. The monumental difference of $134,000 is the power of compounding. The most important variable in this mathematical equation is not the amount of your money. The absolute most critical element for compound interest to work effectively is the passing time. Time allows the exponential growth curve to bend upwards, creating wealth at an unbelievable speed. This is exactly why starting your investment journey early is the greatest financial advantage available. Let us consider two different friends, Alex and Ben, to highlight the urgency of time. Alex starts investing $5,000 every single year beginning at the age of 20. He continues this discipline for exactly 10 years and then stops contributing any more money. In total, Alex has invested exactly $50,000 out of his own personal pocket. Ben decides to wait until he is 30 years old before he starts investing anything. Ben then invests $5,000 every single year until he finally retires at 60. Ben invests a grand total of $150,000 over his entire lifetime. Assuming an identical 8% annual return, who ends up with more money at retirement? Surprisingly, Alex retires with an impressive total of almost $800,000 in wealth. Ben, despite investing 3 times as much money, retires with around $600,000. Alex achieved significantly greater wealth simply because he gave his money more time to compound. The earlier you start planting your financial seeds, the larger your money tree will grow. Even a delay of just a few short years can easily cost you absolute fortunes. Another incredible tool for understanding this growth is the highly popular Rule of 72. This simple mental math trick tells you exactly how long it takes to double money. Simply divide the number 72 by your expected annual interest rate to find years. If you expect a reliable 9% return, 72 divided by 9 equals 8. This means your entire investment portfolio will essentially double in size every single 8 years. Understanding this timeline helps you visualize the massive potential of your long-term retirement goals. But maximizing the power of compound interest requires you to religiously reinvest all your dividends. Dividends are small cash payouts that specific wealthy companies share directly with their loyal investors. When you receive these payments, the immediate temptation is usually to spend them on luxuries. However, taking that money out completely halts the compounding process and damages your future wealth. By automatically reinvesting every dividend, you purchase more shares without spending your own fresh cash. These newly acquired shares will eventually produce their own dividends, accelerating your overall wealth creation. Consistency is the next vital pillar required to build a massive compounding financial snowball eventually. Investing should never be viewed as a sporadic activity or a random game of chance. You must make contributing to your portfolio an automatic and absolutely non-negotiable monthly habit. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account straight into your dedicated investment portfolio immediately. When the entire process is fully automated, you eliminate the emotional temptation to spend savings. You also naturally benefit from a smart strategy commonly known as dollar-cost averaging strategies. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you automatically buy more shares when prices drop down. When market prices eventually rise back up, your fixed monthly amount simply purchases fewer shares. This removes the stressful guesswork of trying to perfectly time the unpredictable global stock market. Remember that the path to financial freedom will inevitably include frightening economic downturns and recessions. When the stock market crashes, average uneducated investors panic and sell their assets at losses. But those who truly understand compounding see these major market drops as massive buying opportunities. They continue investing consistently, knowing that the market has always fully recovered over long decades. Interrupting your compounding journey out of temporary fear is the absolute worst financial mistake possible. Warren Buffett built his massive billionaire fortune by remaining patient through numerous devastating economic crashes. He understood that compound interest relies heavily on unbroken chains of time and extreme patience. You do not need an incredibly high income to start taking advantage of this system. Even a very modest contribution of $50 a month can grow into substantial wealth. The key is simply to begin right now, regardless of your current personal financial situation. Every single dollar you hesitate to invest today is a stolen opportunity from your future. As your income gradually increases over the years, make sure to increase your monthly investments. Avoid the dangerous trap of lifestyle inflation, where your expenses rise to match your income. Instead, channel those newly acquired raises and bonuses directly into your rapidly compounding investment accounts. This strategic discipline will dramatically shave years off the time needed to reach financial independence. The absolute ultimate goal is to finally reach a point where your money earns more money than you do. This highly pivotal moment is most often referred to as reaching the tipping point successfully. Once your portfolio generates enough annual return to comfortably cover all your basic living expenses, you have finally achieved the ultimate dream of absolute and total personal financial freedom forever. At this glorious stage, working at a traditional daytime job simply becomes an optional choice. You can finally dedicate your precious time to the passions and hobbies you truly love. The mathematical certainty of compound interest guarantees this result if you follow the core principles. Stop letting your hard-earned money sit idle and rapidly lose value in a bank. Start acting like a wealthy investor today and actively put your money to work immediately. Remember, time is actively ticking away, and every delayed moment is costing you future wealth. Build your unstoppable financial snowball right now and watch it confidently grow while you sleep. Let the undeniable and glorious power of compound interest completely transform your entire financial future. Thank you so much for watching this entire educational video to the very end today. Please make sure to encourage our growth by taking a quick second to like this. Subscribe to the channel right now and immediately turn on the notification bell for updates. We truly appreciate your loyal support, so thank you once again for watching our video.